Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and today I'll show you how to wipe cache partition on this tablet. So for this process we will need a cable. I have one right over here. Now you do need to connect it to your computer, that can be Windows or Mac, and from there also plug it into your tablet. And now we need to turn it off. So let's pull down the notification panel, tap on the power options, select power off, and wait for it to turn off. Now you want to wait till you actually see the battery percentage. There we go, so there's the percentage. So once you see that, you want to hold power key and volume up, both of them at the same time. And from here, as you can see, you should be now in the recovery mode. Now I'm gonna flip the device over, and also I will unplug it. The cable is not needed anymore, so I'm just gonna whip out the cable and try to combat the camera focus that just focuses on a tiniest part of the entire setup. So yeah, I'm kind of agitated by this. So I'm just gonna cover the hand is just to cover and make the camera focus on, well, right here. So yeah, from here, using volume keys, you want to scroll down in order to select wipe cache partition. Once it's selected, as it is right now, press power key to confirm that. And then let's select yes. And there we go. Now I'm gonna move the tablet a little bit down because we do have a little bit of a message right here. So as you can see, cache wipe complete as the last entry. At which point, reboot system now should be selected by default. So all you need to do is press power key once more, and this will take us back to Android. And there we go, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.